Hello everyone, welcome back in my channel. And today I'm going to show you a new EV kit. Yes, a new EV kit which can use for a different purpose. It's mainly made for the EV kit, but you can use it at your home to check all of your electronics appliances. So uh, let's start. Mm, this morning, actually, I promised many of my viewers that I'm going to publish this video at any cause today evening. So yeah, I come. Actually, I'm very tired. So anyway, forget about it. Let's come. So first, I just want to go for a review, a small review about my previous product. Hope you know this. This is a digital meter and socket for the charging, and one MCB and indicator, that earthing indicator. So that costs 2200 as usual. Still, it's I don't increase it, but little bit the product price is increased. I mean that my purchase cost. So anyway, yeah, it's 2200, and this model is for the base, for the amateur users, or the I can say the basic model, because आप जब इसको यूज़ करते हो मेनली ये ईवी किट जो है मेरा कैमरा भी बहुत ये है एनीवे आई एम जस्ट इंट्रोड्यूसिंग दिस प्रोडक्ट it's not so professional. So yeah, come back to the point. This box, it's for those who use the uh, extension kit, not for regular basics, like so once in a blue moon के चलो आज गाड़ी लेके थोड़ा long drive में चलते हैं, and then we will manage the charging somewhere in hotel or somewhere. So this is for them, because it's a very simple, very lightweight and all. So this is the old one. So now there is a new one coming, and this is specially for those who travel a lot and who need a proper चार्जिंग पॉइंट, आई मीन चार्जिंग किट, कि जहाँ पे वो सब कुछ मॉनिटर कर सके. तो लेट्स हैव अ फर्स्ट लुक. आई थिंक बहुत फ्रेंड जो है दे आर एक्साइटेड. एंड दिस इज द बॉक्स. This is the box. Okay, so what is the difference? Let me show you first both of them. See, this one has a meter and this one doesn't have the meter, right? Okay, and it has a 1 point and it has a 2 point. Now here 1 point, it's for the output, and the cable you have to connect here. Okay, you have to connect here to open this, connect here, you will get the supply and then charging. And this one, it's very simple to connect. Here is this is a just a box. It's the tagging is still remaining. I will do the all tagging and all. So this one is the inlet. So whatever you have the cable, so you just need to, like for example, you have a 20-meter cable, and with this box, this two 15 ampere socket also comes. Okay, so both end you just need to connect the 15 ampere cable. One connect here, okay, and this one go to the supply board. So it is very easy. You can change the cable length or anything anytime. No need to open this, no need to touch this or anything. So how it's work, let me show you. Just 3 pin on, then turn up to supply. It's a 2-pole C20 MCB anchor. And first of all, let me introduce all the complete set. All the switches are anchored. Here is the earthing indicator. Okay, this is the earthing switchover and external earthing point. So normally I used to put a plug here in this 2-pin plug outside, but here it's inbuilt. So 2-pin external earthing for the output supply. You just need to turn it on or switch over, so the earthing comes from the external side. Other than this, just keep it like this. So if you have the proper earthing, and then you need to connect your plug here, the charger kit plug here, and turn it on, and your charging will start. So now where is the meter? So this is why I said this is a compact. The meter is here. This is the 6-in-1. Okay, so here it's a complete set, and it's a very lightweight, very lightweight. It's hardly like how many, 400 grams, 450 grams for Yeah, so this is a 6-in-1 and 5 kilowatt meter. Okay, so now in this meter, what features you can see? First of all, you can see the wattage, how many watt you are receiving, because during the EV charging, the wattage is very important. Otherwise, like, you guys face a lot of issue. I don't need to explain, like heating issue and other error. So you can monitor the water, okay, how many watt you are receiving, and then, sorry, not watt, how many volts, sorry, voltage, how many voltage it's coming. You can see it here very clearly. It's a 5 kilowatt, so 5 kilowatt supply it support, and it has a power factor. It's showing in the watt how many watt is transferring, during the charging. And the third point is it has a 50 and 60 megahertz display, like whatever megahertz you have in the supply, it comes here. Normally its standard is 50, so it will show you the 50. And the main thing is the unit, how many unit you consume, that also come here. So later on, after complete description, I'll show you how it's work. And this box, you can work like, you have a doubt in your air con that how much current it's consumed, you can check with this box. Any appliances like washing machine, fridge, micro oven, your induction, even a phone charger, and you can connect this for your car charging as an extension kit. So with these both of them, like, we provide 10 meters of 2.5 Phenolex cable for the external earthing setup. We don't provide rod because of it increase the weight and you have to pay the price for it, unnecessary the delivery cost. I don't like it. So you can go any electrical shop and buy it from your local, it's cheaper for you. And second thing, I'm in rush actually because I'm really very tired, so I just make this video to show this, and I'll show you how it's work. And if I make any mistake, if I forget to explain something, you can comment me. Now let's come to the price range and the options. Well, first of all, let's go to the options. Options is you have a two choice, like you can go with the anchor, complete anchor set, or you can go with the mix, like anchor, MCB, and then remaining part of another branded, but it's a like, maybe like Pritham. It's a very good brand. This is the Pritham. These are the Pritham. This looks more harder and stronger than this anchor, but yeah, its anchor is, most of the people they preferred anchor because it's a good brand. So for me both are okay, so whichever you prefer. So price difference like 200-300 rupees price difference. If you ask me to make complete set with the Pritham, I can build for you. If you want, no, you just need with the anchor, then that also comes. So now let's come to the point. The old one price is as usual with meter and mix of Phenolex and Pritham switches and MCBs comes together. It's cost 2200. Without meter it's cost like around 1900 in mix up, and if you go with the anchor, then 21,500. I will add everything. You can see it here, by the way. So all the price you can see, the basically the price range start from 1900 to till actually I have the list till 4250. So this one cost the 4250, including the complete set, of course, including these two 15 ampere pin, 3-pin top, 10 meter Phenolex cable, both in connected like crocodile clip and plug. But there is a offer, promotion, you can say it's a promotional offer. So if you want to book it, like first 5 orders, it's for this one, if it is comes with the anchor, then it will be 3970. This is 3970, and with the mix of like Pritham board, that things comes with the anchor, that cost you like that the final price with the discount and all, it cost you 3665. And after first five order, this offer for the first five offer, and after that the price will be 4250, and the Pritham one after offer comes 3800 rupees. So today is 22nd April. There is another offer I can say, like today is 22nd April, so let's start from 23rd to 25th April. Those who are order for this kit, they can get this benefit first five or between this time period, 23rd April to 25th April. And what you need to do is very simple. I don't ask that 50% or 20% advance, nothing like that. You just need to drop me a WhatsApp message on my business number, that is 62894 99417. In this number you just say hi or just write your queries. I will give you all the details, and let's see how many of you just really waiting for this. And anything else? Yeah, now the time for the live demo. I will show you the demo. Just stick with this video, I'll show you complete demo. And if you have any questions, anything, you can just comment me or you just WhatsApp me, and I really feel thankful definitely and feel good if you just share and subscribe my channel, share this video to the other EV owners. Those who are looking, they can have this one. But I'm telling you, it's really very good box, because of personally I use this and I found like, yeah, you can see everything on the car details, like temperature, except temperature. Sorry, you can't see the temperature here. But one more thing I forget to explain. Inside the box, all the wiring, it's Finolex 4mm cable. All the connection between the switch and sockets, it's a 4mm Finolex cable I use. So heat up chances is very less, hardly. If you put it in a sunlight, and then charging, then definitely anything can heat up. Yeah. So yeah, and it's about the useful things. It's very useful because you can check any of your appliances, how much voltage it's taken, how much wattage and everything. So you can calculate your house electricity bill also, and you can control yourself. You have to control it about yourself from your side. So yeah, this is a very good box. It's a strong build quality. Both complete set is anchor. So now let's go for a live trial where you can see everything, and also I will show you when I charging my phone what is coming over here, how many voltage is taking and all. So let's go for that trial. So okay, here is the setup. I just connect it here, show you. Hang on, it comes right. I have a earth-in, so it's showing here. If bypass, it's turned off. So I have the earth-in. Now what I have to do, I have to connect this with my car. Also show you what is showing right now here. Right, 50 hertz to 45 volt, right? Okay, let me connect. Okay, it's connected but off. It's connected. Now I just It's charging. Now you can see 2.76 kilowatt, 11.6, power factor 0.99, say 1 kilowatt, 0.1 unit, 50 hertz. So let's check on the car side. It's charging perfectly. So yes, so that's the thing. Now I'm turning off. It's back. Okay, chalo.